Nowadays, everyone is creating their Ghibli-style images. In this video, I will show you how you can make Ghibli-style videos easily for free. If you find this video informative, then share with your friends.
I made this animated video with AI.
The only thing you truly own is your response to life. Accept what you can't change, adapt to what you can, and always keep pushing forward.
To see the full results, watch the video till end. This video will include creation of anime videos, AI scripts, text-to-speech, creation and use of non-copyright background music, and putting everything together to create the amazing and perfect content. Remember, I will teach you all this for free of cost. In next few minutes you will be able to make your own anime videos with AI and impress your friends, or post it on internet and can earn money. Let's start the creation of these AI videos. Search Pika Labs on your browser and open it. Pika lets you breathe new life into existing video. Modify anything in the frame or change the style on a whim. In order to get started, first create an account on Pika, as I have created the account, so I will simply log in. After you log into Pika, you will be directed to this page. In order to create the anime, you have to write the command and it will create the short anime video. If you have script to make video on, then give it commands according to your script of the video. In order to create the best version of it, copy the command as I am writing. As I am making short motivation video, so I will give it commands according to my requirements. Define the style of the video: a sailboard in the storm, high waves, dark ambient, rain. I want it to be Ghibli-style anime and hand-drawn. Now you have to select the settings. For best results, you can leave the aspect ratio on 16:9, as the model is best trained for anime videos. In this way you will get much better result. Later you can crop it to fit the short form aspect ratio format. Also set frames per seconds to 12, this is the same frame rate as most of the animations. I want to have a lot of motion in the video, so I will select the strength of the motion to 4. I will recommend you always add negative prompts. These are the things you don't want in the video. Add these words: ugly, distortion, deformation, blurry, low quality. Lastly, you want to add the seed number. This is the code number you add to your generation. If you don't change anything and hit generate, you will get the same result again. However, if you change the seed number and nothing else, you will get the variation of your generation. Our video is now generating. It will take few minutes and create the scene. As this is not what I want, so I will change the seed number and try again. You need to do this couple of times until you something you like, either change the seed number or add changes to your negative prompts. In this way you can give it prompts and can generate the anime scenes you want. After you have created the scenes according to subject of the video, now it's time to create the script for the subject. I will use ChatGPT for this purpose. Ask GPT what you want, as I want to make short motivation video, so I will give it command to write me script for motivation video. Now in order to convert this script into audio, go to 11's Labs, create account on it, and log in. 11 Labs let your content go beyond text with realistic AI voices. Generate high-quality spoken audio in any voice, style, and language. Their AI voice generator is powered by an AI model that renders human intonation and inflections with unrivaled fidelity, adjusting the delivery based on context. There are a lot of voices. Select the voice which you like.
Let me know in the comment section below. This is the COD Archive, and I'll see you. Let me know in the comment section below. This is the COD Archive.
If you really think you're alone at night, hiding under the covers, I can assure you, you're very much mistaken. They are among us.
Looking for a deep voice for your project? Well, looking for a deep voice for your...
Imagine the possibility.
Une voix puissante.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end may all...
Click on Add to Voice Lab and add voice. Paste the script of your video here and change the voice and settings if you want and generate the speech.
Change in all things is sweet.
The world is round. The only thing you truly own is your response to life. Accept what you can't change, adapt to what you can, and always keep pushing forward.
After our speech is generated, we can download and use it in our anime video. In order to make our anime video more realistic and good, we need to add background music to it. For this purpose I will use Pixabay, as it provides non-copyright music, images and videos for free. After selecting the background music, we need to put all the things in one place and edit the video. I will use online video editor. CapCut. CapCut is user-friendly video editor that provides a lot of templates and features for fast editing. Like, share and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more tutorials. In order to make the video short, I will skip the editing part. After putting the anime clips, our AI-generated script to voice, and background music, and after applying transitions, our final video looks like this.
The only thing you truly own is your response to life. Accept what you can't change, adapt to what you can, and always keep pushing forward. You can't control the storm, but you can control how you sail through it. Stay steady, stay strong, and you'll reach your destination.